When I bought my first house, I had a lot of things to think about. My plumbing wasn't one of them. But when I found out just how devastating even a small leak could be, I knew I had to protect my home and my family. So I did some research, asked around, and decided on the best. Phyn Plus Smart Water Resistant Plus Shutoff.
That's when David called the Uponor Pro Squad. Not only are we experts on the installation of your Phyn Plus, but by using us for his installation, he was able to save 10% on his unit and even get a discount on his homeowner's insurance.
Phyn Plus began protecting my home from the moment the water started flowing. Not only do I get real-time notifications letting me know about leaks or frozen pipes, but I can shut my water off remotely. Phyn Plus will even shut the water off for me in the event of a massive leak.
The app is easy to use, and with a wealth of experience in setting up your Phyn Plus, I can show David just how easy it is to monitor every fixture in his home. Now he knows just how much water it takes to keep his lawn looking great, or how much water his daughter uses during one of her marathon showers.
You're already at 30 gallons. The Uponor Pro Squad had my Phyn Plus installed in less than an hour and has been great ever since. I have peace of mind knowing I have access to 24/7 repair services and a home protection guarantee in the unlikely event that something goes wrong with my Phyn Plus.
You have a lot to worry about in your house.
But with the Phyn Plus and Uponor Pro Squad, my plumbing doesn't have to be one of them.